Hey guys, welcome to Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today I'm going to show you a simple way how to make some turmeric soap. I'm run out of turmeric soap, so I remember to just turn my camera on and show you guys. Come along with me. So today I already have some soaps in here. So I'm just gonna about a minute and a half and I'm coming back. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead. Also, I have some turmeric here. This turmeric, you can use a regular turmeric, but today I am using the turmeric that I got from manufacturer that I got my ingredients from. So this is the turmeric I'm going to be using today. It smells just like the regular turmeric, so I don't see why you can go ahead and use the regular turmeric. I'm going to go ahead and just use some water and rubbing alcohol to clean up your mold. Every time you wash, you use the mold, you need to wash them, put them away for the next time. Check this. So I also have a stick here to stir. And in this turmeric soap, I am not going to put any fragrance oil in there or essential oils. This soap already have all the ingredients that I have in there already, like glycerine and so forth. And if you do your soap and pour and it still have, when you melt it and it still have a little bit of the soap that didn't melt yet, or just go ahead and stir because this is already warm. And you're supposed to use for this a thermometer, but right now I'm not going to use a thermometer because I find mine is not working properly. But because I do this for so many times, I know the amount to put in and put it in for a minute and a half. So there it is. So we're gonna go ahead and add our turmeric. And I mean, I think you can add any amount of turmeric that you want, the color that you want. give it a good mix. Usually I just mix it for about a minute. So you can see we have some bubbles here. All you need to do to get rid of this is to use the spray with the alcohol and water. Just give it a good spray. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be good to your neighbors.